Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Block 5 Creepy Crawly Animals. Creepy crawly means what? Move slowly along the ground and make fear of us. Insects which are moving slowly along the ground. Keywords are abdomen, antennae, thorax. Animals. So in this lesson you are going to learn about insects. Today you are going to learn the 7 common body parts that all insects have. End of this lesson you will be able to identify the 7 common body parts that all insects have. Okay, today's keywords are abdomen, antennae, thorax. Abdomen means what? The rear part of the body of an insect. Okay, then antennae, long thin body part on the head of an insect. We will learn later. Okay, thorax. What is thorax? Middle part of an insect. Today we will observe different pictures of insect to find the common body parts. See, this is housefly. To find the common body parts. See, this is housefly. This is ant. This is butterfly, and this is dragonfly. These are few insects. Before learning their body parts, it will be very interesting to imagine that you want to stitch a little cloth for them. How would those clothes look? How would you make trousers? How would they differ from your clothes? Yes, insects have some body parts that are like ours and some are different from ours. We have head, eyes, like that. These insects also have head, eyes, etc. Legs, everything. Okay. You already learned in grade 2 that insects have 6 legs. Is it not? What are the names of these insects? This one ant and butterfly, and this is dragonfly, and this is housefly. What does the body of each insect look like? What common among them? How many legs do each insect have? Can we see? Yes, the shape of the insect's body and wings looks different. See, its wings and these legs of housefly and ant is entirely different. We can see color also different, different size we can see, but many similarity also we can see. See, butterfly, then dragonfly. These are shape of the insects different and wings also different. Is it not? Now we can see 7 common body parts that all insects have. Here you can see this is the head. Okay. This is the middle part of the body and this is the end part of the body. Okay. An insect's body is divided into 3 parts. The head, the thorax and chest part is middle part, or chest part is called thorax, and abdomen. Last part what we will call abdomen. So insect's body is divided into 3 parts. Among that 3 parts we can see here head and 2 eyes and 1 pair of antennae. You can see here. Antenna means what? This string-like thing we are calling antenna. Then 2 eyes. This is the middle part, thorax. The middle part of an insect's body is called thorax, and the legs and wings are attached to the thorax. 6 legs, it is not visible properly, but 6 legs are there, and these 2 sets of wings also attached to the thorax. All insects have 6 legs. And this is the abdomen. The abdomen is at the end of the insect's body. I will repeat for you. An insect's body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, abdomen. Okay. First part, the head. It has 2 eyes and 2 eyes and 2 antennas. This is the middle part, that is thorax or chest. 6 legs and 2 set of wings attached to the thorax. Some insects have 2 sets of wings and some have 1 pair of wings. And this is the third and last part of the insect's body. This is called abdomen. So children, what are the 7 common body parts that all insects have? We can see here: head, thorax, abdomen, 2 eyes, 2 antennas, wings. All these 7 and 6 legs. These are the 7 body parts of an insect. Children, can we compare our body part and insects' body parts? See, we also have head. Insect also have head, 2 eyes and 2 antennas for them. For us, instead of that, we have 5 sense organs, right? But where is the sense organ of these insects? Do you think insects smell, feel or taste? But we can see only eyes here, right? Then we use our sense organ to smell, feel, taste. But for insect, they are able to smell, feel or taste with their antennas. Which one? Their 2 antennas are helping them to smell, feel and taste. And eyes, they can see with their eyes and smell, taste and feel with their 2 antennas. And 6 legs, 4 long and 2 short for the butterfly. Here they are showing it. So these 6 legs are there, they can walk, and they have wings. With that wings they can fly also. These are the 7 common body parts that insects have and its function. This butterfly has 2 sets of wings, but this ant picture you can see here, we cannot see the wings here, but 1 set of wings it has. It is not visible much, and 6 legs are there for all the insects and 2 antennas. Here you can see this dragonfly's antennas are very small, very tiny antennas. It is very difficult to see also. It has good eyesight, and it depends much more on their eyesight than sense of touch and feel. So if its antennas are tiny also, it's not a problem for them. It is depending more on their eyesight. And its 2 sets of wings helping it to fly. Children, did you understand what are the 7 common body parts of the insects? 3 main body parts are divided into 3: head, thorax and abdomen. Then on head we can see eyes and 2 antennas, and the middle part, thorax, 6 legs and 2 set of wings attached. Then last part of the insect is called abdomen, like our stomach. Okay children? Can you tell me how we can differentiate small animals and insects? All the small animals are insects? No. Then what is the difference between insects and small animals? You already learned in grade 2, remember? Insects means they have 6 legs. Other small animals or small creatures means sometimes 4, sometimes 8, like that. For example, spider. Spider is not an insect because it has 8 legs. Insects means that will be 6. Insects means it will have 6 legs, right? Can you take out your workbook? Insects body part. S1. First question, list the body parts of each insect. Here you can see one insect, that is cockroach. So here name of the insect you can write and body parts. You already learned, you can write 3 body parts, head, thorax, abdomen and antenna, 6 legs, all these things you can write here. Then what is the second picture? This is an ant. Here you can write the name of the insect and its body part. And this one is dragonfly. Its antennas are not much visible because we already learned very tiny antennas they have. So the name of the insect you can write and its body part also you can mention here. And children, turn next page. Okay. What they are asking here, question number 2. Label the body parts of the insects. This is, which insect it is? It is housefly. You can write its, you can label its body parts. Okay, you already learned. Question number 3. If we ask tailor to sew clothing for an insect, how would the shirt and pant for an insect be different from the shirt and pant for a human? So this is very funny. You can compare yourself, your body parts and this insect's body part, and you can compare and write here. You remember we have 2 legs and 2 hands, and this insect has all the insects have 6 legs. So accordingly, in your own imagination you can write here. Okay. Thank you children. Bye.